how to reset the secure folder, forgotten PIN, password or pattern lock on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, go into the app screen and tap on the secure folder. Now tap on use PIN or password and put in any random PIN, because now that you have forgotten the PIN. So just put in any PIN and then tap on next. When you got the wrong PIN entered, it will say forgot PIN. So tap on forgot PIN down here and then tap on reset. After that, put in your Samsung account password to unlock or reset the secure folder password or PIN. So here I will put in the account password and then tap on OK. And that's it. So it is now unlocked. So in here you can tap on PIN, password or pattern to set a new PIN. So here I'm going to set a new PIN 1 2 3 4. Then tap on continued. Then tap on use anyway. And I'm going to put in 1 2 3 4 again to confirm. And that's it. So that is how you can reset the forgotten PIN, password or pattern lock for your secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos.